welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. I did pretty good. I was actually in the store for like 30 minutes. Usually I could spend almost 2 hours in that store, but I was in there. I was more organized this time, and I think it went pretty good. I was very organized this time, you guys. Like, I love being organized for couponing hauls, but for everything else, I'm not organized at all. But one thing I do want to share with you guys before it's too late, a lot of you guys are saying you guys are loving your shirts, and some of you guys are still not sure if you want a shirt, or if you guys are new to my channel, you guys haven't gotten a shirt. I am selling Coupon Addict t-shirts Tuesday. This coming Tuesday is the last and final day. So if you guys want a shirt, you got to order it before Tuesday. Just giving you guys a heads up, but I ended up getting this shirt, and then I also got a sweatshirt, so definitely do it. I have the link below so you guys can do it. But I think this sweatshirt looks huge on me, but when you put it on, it's not that big. But definitely, you guys, this is a great thing to get. You guys can have shirts. A lot of you guys are sending me pictures, which is awesome. And continue sending me pictures if you guys want to be in my YouTube channel video. I'm making a little montage with everybody wearing their little shirts. So definitely send me your pictures. Either Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, I think you can send it to me. Also, if you guys want to, you can send it to me through email. Just let me know. Whatever's easier for you guys. And yes, but let's just dig in and share with you guys what I got at CVS. Now, most of you guys know I have 2 cards because I like to show you guys different deals for every single card. So, let's just dig in so I can share with you guys what I got. Now, I ended up getting the Colgate mouthwash. I got a lot of this stuff I got with my new card. So, my Colgate mouthwash was $3.99. I had that 50-cent off coupon that we just got in today's paper. I also had a $2.50 coupon from the Red Machine. You guys would just get this for 99 cents. Okay? But I also had a... Oh, I had $1 off of 6 CRT, so I used it for both of these, but I ended up using it for the Crest Scope. So this was $5.29. I used a $2 off digital coupon that I had. I used a $1 off of 6 CRT. I ended up paying $3.29 for this, but then you guys would end up getting, oh, it didn't even count. But you guys, without that $1 off of 6 CRT, you guys would pay $3.29. Then you guys would get $3 back, making it just 29 cents for this, which I think is a great deal. But if you guys buy these both together, it comes out to be just 29 cents for the both of these. So if you guys have that $1 off of 6 CRT, I ended up getting the Irish Spring Body Wash. Now, these were $3.99. You guys want to use 3 of those $1 off coupons that were in today's paper. Otherwise, they're also available on coupons.com. I also had a 2 off of 8 CRT for body wash. I paid $6.97 for these 3. But then you get $5 back, making it $1.97 or just 66 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal if you guys really want Irish Spring Body Wash. I love this scent. This is like my favorite one for my husband to wear. So, and I know CVS has them and Walgreens does not. So every time I can get body wash at CVS, I go for it. So I like it. I just love this stuff. So wanted to share with you guys with that deal. Sorry, my husband usually has like a box of stuff for me, and I have it filled. Like, we just have to empty it still. Now, I did do the L'Oreal Paris, or not, yeah, the L'Oreal Paris shampoo and conditioner. Now, I did do 2 separate transactions with these because those coupons only let you use once. But we're just going to pretend we combined them together, which I did not. But the L'Oreal is 2 for $8. You guys want to use 2 of those $4 off of 2 coupons. You guys would just get 4 of these for $8, but then you guys will end up getting $5 back in an ECB, making them $3 or just 75 cents a piece. Now, I did have a 4 off of 18 shampoo and conditioner, but then I realized I can't combine these because of the coupon, so I wasn't able to use that CRT, which I am fine with that sometimes. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. I ended up getting the Maybelline eyeshadow. Now, these at my store were $3.99. You guys would want to buy 2. You guys want to use that $3 off CRT that printed from the red machine today. You guys would just pay $4.98. You guys will get a $5 back ECB, making it a 2-cent moneymaker, so those do become absolutely free. And I feel like I haven't bought these in forever, but my store is like super empty in all the colors. I don't know if they're just not getting these anymore or they're slowly getting rid of these. So what is your guys' store? Is your store getting these or not? I have no idea. No idea what's going on. I ended up getting the Mitchum deodorant. Now, my store have the women's deodorant a lot cheaper than the women or the men's. So I ended up getting these for $4.39. They were buy one get one 50% off. I had two $2 off coupons that we got from our inserts from a couple weeks ago. I also had a $1 off of Mitchum CRT. So I paid $1.58 for this. But then you guys will get a $2 back ECB, making it a 42-cent moneymaker. So can't go wrong with free deodorant. Free deodorant. So that was one card. That card, my transaction came to $1.26 with one transaction. That was everything except the L'Oreal. I used $20 worth of ECBs, but I received $20 worth of ECBs. So that total came to $1.26. And then my second transaction with just the 2 L'Oreals came to $1 after I used the coupons. I used $3, but I got $1 back. So I did lose some CRTs on that transaction. So now this is with my old card on what I got. So I ended up getting some all laundry detergent. Now these were $2.99. I used that $1 off coupon that we got from coupons.com. So I ended up paying $1.99 for this, which could be an okay deal. But then just showed up on Saving Star, $1 off when you buy 1, and you don't have to submit your receipt, so that's why I did it. So I ended up getting this bad boy for just 99 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal. I have used these pods before. I really like playing with them. I like the texture and everything. So I had to show you guys that deal. Now I also got the Colgate Enamel Health Toothpaste. Now I wouldn't say this is the greatest deal, but it's the end of the month that you guys, and if you guys are trying to hit levels like I am, definitely do this deal. So the Colgate Enamel was $3.99. You guys want to use the 50-cent off coupon that we just got in today's paper. You guys would pay $3.49 for this, but then you guys will end up getting a $1.50 ECB. And you guys can submit a $1.50 back on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 49 cents. So 49 cents for the Colgate Enamel toothpaste, I think is a pretty good deal. It's nice to get some of the specialty stuff that's still getting the same stuff all the time. I ended up doing the Rimmel Brow This Way. Now these were $4.79. $4.79. You guys want to use two $2 off coupons that we got. You guys would just pay $5.58 for these. But then you guys will get a $4 back ECB, making it just $1.58 or 79 cents a piece. So if you guys are interested in something like that. I ended up getting the baby lips. These were $4.79. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon that we don't, not baby lips. I got another one here, you guys, I'm sorry. You guys will end up using that $3 ECB or $3 CRT that we got. You guys would just pay $6.58 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $5 ECB, making it just $1.58 or 79 cents a piece. So if you guys don't like eyeshadow, the lip gloss or whatever, it's just a pretty good deal. You just pay a little bit more out of pocket. I did get the Revlon Kiss. I had two of those, or I had one of those CRTs. So this was $4.99. I used that $4 and CRT that we got. So I just got this for just 99 cents. I did the same Rimmel deal because I had the same CRT. So I got these absolutely free and a moneymaker. I ended up getting the soft soap. This was $1.99. You guys want to use a 50-cent off coupon that we got in today's paper. You guys would just pay $1.49. But then you guys will get a 50-cent ECB, making it just 99 cents. And I haven't gotten this kind of hand soap for a while, so I wanted to share with you guys on that. And then I also, the last and final deal that I got the soft soap body wash. Now these were $1.99. No, I'm sorry, I'm looking at the soft soap. So these were $3.49. I used 3 75-cent off coupons that were in today's paper. If you guys don't have those coupons, you can also print them off. I also had a 2 off of 8 CRT. So I paid $6.22 for this, but then you guys will get $1.75, $1.75, and $1.75 back in an ECB, making it just 97 cents or just 33 cents a piece. So if you guys are interested in 33-cent soft or body wash, go for it. I think that's a great deal. My camera is on the verge of dying. It is blinking at me right now. If the husband wants to go get me some batteries before my camera dies right now, that'd be awesome. But for that transaction, it came to 27 cents. I used $28 worth of ECBs, but I received $18.25 back of ECBs. I got $1.50 back with Ibotta for the Colgate toothpaste, and I got $1, or I will be getting $1 back for the all laundry detergent. So that came to $7.52. So I never paid anything out of pocket. I pretty much paid for ECBs, and then I had a gift card that I got from Fetch Rewards. So I ended up getting everything for $9.78. I got 26 items. That's 38 cents a piece. I think that's a great deal, but technically I paid zilch zero. So that's even better. But for you guys, if you guys are just starting out or doing the same deals, that's kind of the price that you guys would pay. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. But please remember, you guys, this is Tuesday is your last day that you guys can order these shirts. They are super awesome. They're super soft. They're awesome, relaxed shirts. So definitely do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up.
Hey, two.
Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.